don't skate here.
The second he saw you holding the board like that, he was like, get him out.
Yeah. This is the way.
His first fall. Probably never skate again. All right, guys, I'm here today with
Saroj.
And he is claiming that he's never skateboarded before, but he told me that he's a competitive weightlifter, which I literally don't believe.
It's true.
You're such a liar, competitive weightlifter. He is like, I want a skateboard lesson. We're gonna learn how to skateboard.
Boom.
We're gonna learn how to skateboard. So I took him right next to Lake Erie. Please do not let my skateboard go in that water. You promise?
I promise.
Okay, so first things first on the skateboard is figuring out which way you ride. Have you ever ran and slid on ice before?
Yes.
Run and pretend like you're sliding on ice right now. Please tell me that's not how you slid on the ice. What are you doing again? Run and slide on ice. Please tell me, when you run and slide, you should either, like, you're sliding either this way or that way. And when you slide, you just slide. You slide. You're not moving your feet. Okay, so let's try it again. One more time, competitive weightlifter. Run and slide.
Here we go.
Is that really how you would go?
That's how it would go.
You're sure?
Yes.
Okay, this is very, very important. Maybe one of the most important things of learning how to skate.
Okay.
Do you know why?
Why?
You don't know why?
No. The direction I go on the board?
Yes.
Okay.
Which foot forward on the board? So one of them, you were kind of like this. I was like, both feet forward, and I was like, that's not gonna work. And then the other one, it was kind of right foot forward, and then it was left foot forward, and then it was right foot forward again. You got me totally mixed up. So you're sure it's right foot forward?
Yes.
That feels more comfortable.
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna start, I'm taking you through this, I'm teaching you every little detail. You're gonna start with your front foot, meaning your right foot, because we just decided you're right foot forward. Those are dope shoes, by the way. On the board like that, and you're not gonna put both feet on. Okay. Promise me you won't put both feet on.
No, one foot only.
Okay, and then you're just gonna walk like this. Just a nice, gentle walk. It's been a long time since I filmed a video with the fisheye. I love you, fisheye. One foot on there and just walk. Saroj, do you like Star Wars?
I do.
Saroj also likes Star Wars.
Wow.
Okay, whoa. Okay, wait. Okay, slow down, bend your knees.
Okay.
And put your front foot back a little bit, a little more. Okay, that's a little better. Okay. Now bend your knees like you've never, like, you're like Jabba the Hutt on like Centurion 7. I need to know some more like Star Wars themed phrases. You're like a Wookiee. Bend your knees like a Wookiee.
Like an Ewok.
Like an Ewok. There you go. There you go. Good. How does that feel?
Yeah, this is good. It feels stable.
It feels stable, he says. Okay, so let's flip around.
Okay.
We're gonna Ewok that way. I should be timing this. How many minutes does it take me to teach Saroj how to ollie? Okay, ready?
Ready.
Now push this way. Okay?
Wow.
Feels stable, right?
Yeah.
You feel good? You feel like, wow, I could do this for eternity.
I could.
Okay, good. Couple things I want to teach you about the board. So from here to here, it's stable. Here and here, not stable.
Okay.
If you also step here, it's gonna turn not stable. So kind of you have this range in the middle here. So whenever your foot is in any one of those places, it's stability, okay?
Stable zone.
Yeah, but if you have your front foot, let's say it's here, and then you go a little bit too much weight, oh
you
no!
fall forward. Okay.
Bodied!
Ooh.
Yeah, we don't want that. So please don't fall. I'm a skateboard instructor. I'm trying to keep you from falling. Anybody out there on the other end of this lens, wear a helmet, elbow pads, knee pads. We should have too, but I forgot to bring them. You can blame me. Okay. Please don't fall. Also, if you're learning correctly, you won't fall. You'll be fine. Let's give it another go. Practice makes perfect.
Wow.
Yep, bend those knees, bend those knees. Okay, good. You feeling good?
Yeah.
Like how good?
Like pretty good. I mean, it was going and I was there.
Like Luke Skywalker good or like Wookiee good?
I mean, maybe like Han Solo.
Han Solo. Okay, you're ready. You're ready for the next step. Han Solo, he's the man. Okay, so now your front foot is on there, right? You're gonna do this very slow. Are you listening?
Slow.
I'm gonna need to see pictures and proof of this weightlifting class.
There's one picture and evidence.
Okay, front foot on, and then you're gonna do one small, very slow push. And then put the back foot on, and then this front foot's gonna turn like that. And essentially, you want to be where you're riding. Like, to see how I'm riding there?
Yeah.
Can you do that like so slow? Yeah. If you go fast, you're gonna fall, and you're gonna be back to the weightlifting bench.
Here we go.
Front foot on, give it a push. Okay, nice and slow. Bend those knees, boss. Now back foot on, go ahead. Good. Front foot turn. Oh my word. Okay,
look at
now you're
that.
in the stable zone. How does that feel?
Amazing. I am on a board and I am moving.
Okay, but now, this is always beginners. I say bend your knees. Look at how his knees are not there. Thank you. Good, good. Okay, now step off. Good, I was really wanted to see just which foot do you naturally step off with?
I guess the right foot, huh?
Okay, we're gonna change that because you want your back foot to step off. Because you push with what foot?
Left foot.
Yes, your back foot.
Okay.
You push with your back foot.
Okay.
I'll show you why. If you're a beginning skater and you started pushing with your front foot, look, it's not the end of the world. But ideally, you do push with your back foot because it looks better. And it's easier to step on the board, but it's mostly a cosmetic thing, honestly. Front foot on the board, back foot push. We'll go other way. You see the difference?
Oh, like stability thing.
Stability, yeah, and like you have to move your feet all around and you just, okay, so do it again.
Okay.
Make sure, please, for the love of Pete, bend those knees.
Okay, knees bent.
Knees bend. Okay, come on, you got it.
Wow.
You got it.
Look at
Bend
that.
the knees, you got it, you're good, you're looking good. Yeah, you're looking good. Now just keep those knees bent. Because right there, it looked a little shaky, like you could have fallen, you could have hit your elbow, and that'd have been really bad.
Okay, no good. Knees bent.
Knees bent, yeah. Okay, that's good. How's that feel?
No, I feel
Now
good.
step off.
Oh,
Dude.
back foot first.
Wrong foot, right? We're trying to drill this in because when you learn to stop, you're gonna stop with your back foot. There's no way we're getting kicked out right now. No way! We're just teaching a skateboard lesson. We gotta go.
Falls.
No, it's on me, that's on me.
No, it's on me.
If he falls, it's on you. Dang it. Okay, it's all good. We're gonna go somewhere else. Thank you. His first lesson, he already got the boot, which kind of makes him cooler.
I learned something new.
What did you learn?
I learned I should not fall off a skateboard with my knees straight.
You fall off
Do you
your
like to be
skateboard
off?
with your knees straight, you're getting bodied. You fall off your skateboard with your knees bent, you're totally fine.
Yeah.
Like basically you're just like sitting down.
Yeah. No,
Okay.
it felt stable. I felt like I was there on the skateboard.
Yeah, now look at you. You even know how to hold it.
I'm a skater, Mom.
Let me
look at
teach you how to hold it actually though. You're supposed to grab it by the truck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is that how the skaters hold it?
That's how the skaters hold it, just like that. You
Man.
could flip it around a little bit. Yeah.
that?
How does that feel?
Look at that. Skater.
You're a skater now.
Do I get a skater name?
Yeah, your skater name is Slash. Okay, that's actually not how you're supposed to hold the board, but man, they're gonna be roasting me in the comments for that. When you're in downtown San Francisco and you're doing a skateboard lesson, if you get kicked out and they wanna make lemons of it, make orange juice. But we're just gonna go right here, and there's a security guard right there, so if he kicks us out, if we get kicked out twice in the same lesson, you're the best skater that ever existed.
Thank you.
Wait, what? Wait, why? Tell me everything.
Don't skate here. No
Don't
skateboarding.
skateboarding here.
Yeah.
Oh, why?
Can you please move? Yeah. Thank you.
Twice in one day.
Twice.
You're a real skater.
I'm a real skater.
The second he
I
saw you
believe it.
holding the board like that, he was like, get him out. Get him.
He saw the skater in me.
He saw the skater in you. He thought, nope, not in my house. Well, the good thing is we're just on the very beginner steps, so we could just push right down the street. We don't even need a spot. I mean, honestly, a good place to learn how to ride a skateboard is literally right on the sidewalk. Okay, we're gonna go right here. Holding your truck like that is called a mall grab. Why they call it a mall grab, I don't know. Maybe because people used to roll through the mall like that and they didn't really know how to skate, so they'd hold their board like that.
Yeah.
And we call that a poser, which means like you don't really skate, you just kind of hold the board to look cool. So normally you would hold it more like, you were actually holding it correct the first time and I messed you up. Like this is fine, or even better is like this.
Boom.
Because you want to throw down.
Ready to skate.
You're ready to skate. But like this, you're not ready to skate. Anyways, now
Showing
you're
off the board.
learning everything. You're learning everything.
I'm a skater.
Yeah.
This is the way.
That's the Star Wars one that we needed. Okay, step on that board, bend your knees. There's additional factors because there's some cracks. Really good when you're learning how to skate to do some cracks, go over cracks, get used to it. Okay, bend your knees. Do not fall. You see, you feel that?
I do.
See that little bit of resistance?
Yeah, no, the knees need to be bent.
Put the put the back foot on.
I feel like I'm hobbling.
You are a little bit like the Hobbit. Okay, good, legendary.
Look at that.
Good, look at that. Now take your back foot off. Take your back foot off. Okay. Wow, bro. When you take your back foot off, step forward. Always forward.
Okay.
You step backwards.
Yeah.
You're learning how to really rip here. Okay, good. Good, knees bent. He's shredding. Look at him rolling like a beast mode. Okay, now step off your back foot and give it another push. Okay, good. Good, you hit a crack. It was good to know that. The crack is gonna stop it.
Yeah.
Okay, give it another go. Okay, back foot on.
I've not fallen a single time. That's a win.
That is correct. And neither are you. If you learn correctly the right way, I got you. Braille Skateboarding Academy, let's go. The next thing that you're going to learn, we're just gonna run through this very, very, very fast, is you're gonna have your front foot there, your back foot there, and you're going to have your weight fairly centered, and this foot, the front foot, is gonna lift up. And then you're gonna turn, just ever so slight. Is that terrifying? Is that scary?
It is. It is.
This is like Jabba the Hutt versus the Ewoks go into the Wookiees.
That's right. That's right. Straight into war.
You can do this. So just stand still. No movement. Just put your feet on. Yeah, start with that foot. Put it on. Okay. Good. Back foot. Now get into the position. Turn that foot. Yep. Good. Now, good. Now just lift and turn. Look at you. No. No. His first fall. Probably never skate again.
I did that.
You okay?
I'm okay.
You're gonna survive?
I'm gonna survive.
That's why you should wear a helmet, elbow pads, knee pads, wrist guards, and everything else. Okay, what went wrong there?
I was off balance. I think I went too fast. I think I went too fast and I moved it too much.
Yeah, make sure your knees are just bent like so much. But you didn't fall hard because I think it was good because your knees were bent. But imagine if they weren't. Whack.
Then I like fall back.
Yeah, and
Okay.
another secret on the falling is you generally don't want to like put your arm out and try and stop yourself because this is dangerous.
All right, round two.
I'm
here
on a
we go.
mission to teach every single person in the entire world how to skate, even that guy. Kick turn, backside kick turn number 2.
Okay, so foot's up there, and then the back foot is on the back, right? Like all
Yeah,
the way
yeah,
on the
you
end.
had it, you had it.
Okay.
You just went a little bit too much into the back seat, which
Okay.
caused you to fling out.
Good. Here we go.
Here we go.
All right, Mom.
Okay, front
Okay.
foot, turn it. Yep, good.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying about the stabilization. The second
Yeah.
your back foot's on that tail, non-stable. Okay, turn. Okay, good. There's another factor here in that the sidewalk is slanted down, so you're rolling this way. That's another
I am.
factor that
Okay.
happened.
I can't believe it. I'm
Okay, now
turning it.
step off with your back foot. Okay, good. I'm gonna tell you another secret, but you can't tell anybody this.
All right.
You have more balance on the balls of your feet. Check this out. When I'm skating, I'm basically always like, you're like up. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you have a lot of control from that point. If your heels are down, there's not so much control. Let's try it again from the balls of your feet.
Wow. Oh my God.
Okay, good. Now step off because you're rolling. You're rolling. Okay, that was good. Next, I would teach you to do it the other way, which I think we should try, you know, just for fun.
Okay.
Put your front foot on and now turn that way. This way is called front side.
Look at that.
Look at that. Look at that. Legendary. Okay, you're rolling it. Whoa, bro. You almost killed that guy.
Sorry, guy.
Okay, try it again. That was good though. That was good. Hold on, hold on. Yeah, look out. Rebate. You got it? You got any questions? You scared?
We got this.
Okay, you got this. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Turn, front side. Yeah, good. Bend those knees. Bend those knees. Good, good, good. Okay, so you would practice this, just those skills every day.
Yeah.
Could you do that?
Totally.
And get to a point where you're like, oh, I'm more comfortable with that.
100%.
Right? Okay, so now we should take you into something that's just completely beyond your abilities.
A kickflip.
Yeah, kickflip, straight to the kickflip. What I want to see if you can do, this is also learning for me because I'm learning from a person who's never skateboarded before. They only lifted weights.
That's right.
If they can do this. So you're going to stand on that board and you're going to combine the first one and the second one.
Oh, like back and forth.
Yeah. Probably you're not going to be able to do this because that's pretty advanced for advanced beginner. But like, okay, try it. Just try it. Yeah.
That was a big.
Now
that was
the
a
other
big
way.
one.
Yeah. Yeah. Good.
Baby steps.
Yeah, baby steps. It's good. Baby steps are good though. Now remember what I said about the toes. Change your foot position to get your toes. Like it looks like you're very heavy weighted here.
Yeah.
Let's try and get the balls of your foot should be kind of like there, right? You there?
Weight is on the balls.
He literally changed nothing. Okay, go ahead. Forward and backwards.
I feel the difference. It's like a little. Oh, look at that.
You feel the difference?
Yeah. Wow.
Look at that. Okay, I actually think you can do this. Okay, step off, be safe. Okay, now I'm gonna set you up. This is a challenge because this sidewalk is going that way. You're gonna stand right here and you're gonna see if you can go and move. And if it gets too scary and you need to step off, just step
Bail.
off. Just bail, jump. Okay. Well, no push needed. Okay, that was pretty good. Was that scary?
A little bit. But you know what? I made it.
You made it, that was good.
I made it.
I thought that was quite good. But you actually just started moving. So I realized this doesn't work because you're just moving instantly. So we're gonna go this way. Here, and then try and get motion with moving your front foot back and forth.
Okay, I'm going this way?
Yeah, and I'm filming you, don't worry, I got this. So if you fall, we could submit it to America's Funniest Home Videos.
It's a win-win.
It's a win-win. Now I wanna do something extra wild and crazy. Here, I'm gonna hold your shoulder
Yeah.
so you don't fall. And then I'm gonna kick this foot back a little further.
Okay.
Put that front, yeah, put that back foot back. Okay, now just lift this and just see what happens.
Lift it?
Just lift. You see that?
Oh my God.
The second I lift, it lifts up. Why? Because my weight is here on the tail, unstable tail, so lift. Just a little bit. Now, as you lift, the way this actually works is it starts with your shoulders turn, then your feet, then your shoulders turn, then your feet, and you're going back and forth.
Wow.
Yeah, you're looking good, you're looking good. You might not be feeling good, but you're definitely looking
Okay.
good.
Well.
Good, good. That was really good.
Well, I'm stationary.
You're stationary. But you did something there that most people might have missed, but I did not. You were in a crack. You got your back wheels fully stuck in a crack, and you got yourself out of it by tic-tacking. This going back and forth is called tic-tac. Okay, now, because you got out of that, you can propel. Let's see if you can go. This will be the challenge. You're in this crack, and let's see if you can propel beyond that.
Okay, propel.
Propel yourself with a tic-tac specifically. Back and forth, back and forth.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Close. You're getting it though.
Okay.
You see how if you did this every day, you would just get a little better and a little better. We also skipped because what we should be doing is just having him practice pushing and pushing and riding and pushing. You're terrified of skateboards. Oh, your toes are so cute. You know what's good about this ambulance?
What is it?
They're not coming for you. Okay, you think you got this, or should we just go to pushing some more?
I got this. I
Okay,
got this.
he's a no fear. Like Luke Skywalker in Revenge of the Sith.
Tic-tac.
You're getting closer.
Well, I'm moving the board.
Yeah, you are moving the board. He's literally going in reverse. I don't know how he managed. Okay, I got an idea. This might be a really wild idea, but give yourself a little push and then do a couple little guys and see how it feels. Just see how that feels to be in motion and then rolling the tic-tac. Give yourself a little push. Step off and do a little push. Yeah, watch out. I knew that was gonna happen. You had your front foot too far forward. So
Okay.
keep your front foot behind these bolts. Push and tic-tac. Okay, watch out for that crack. That's a beast crack. Yeah, so now push over that crack. Ready? Step off. Now push over that crack. There you go. Now give it a push and step on, and then tic-tac. Right into that crack, bro. That's why I tell people, learn to skate, push everywhere, push to school, because you get used to things like this. Take your back foot off and push over that crack. Good, push over it. Like literally just push. Boom! Now put it back foot on, roll. Nailed it. Freedom!
Freedom.
Okay, now tic-tac a little bit. Give a couple tic-tacs. Good. So this is what you would practice every day. You're learning how to skate. You got to get comfortable on that board before you do anything else. So this is what you would do every day. Does that make sense?
You could be as good as me.
Yeah.
I got that.
But the question is, do you feel like you improved?
Totally, totally.
What did you learn?
Weight on the balls of my feet.
Yeah.
Knees bent. When my knees are bent, I'm on the board.
Yeah.
If my knees are straight, I'm falling over.
Yes.
Go slow, take it step by step, and I'll get there.
Yes, and wear a helmet, elbow pads, knee pads, wrist guards, and learn the correct tricks in the correct way. You guys got this. You're not gonna get hurt. Learn how to skateboard. It's fun. It should also be fun. If you're learning how to skateboard and it's not fun, you're not doing it right. I will teach you guys every single trick you ever wanted to know. Let's go. Braille Skateboarding Academy 2025. Let's push this.
Let's go.
Leave it in the comments below what tricks Sarosh should learn next.
Kickflip.
Let's get it.